Let's talk about two more really bad comments that I see from time to time. The first one, not so much, as version control has gotten much better with Git. But version control and log comments, things like this, where you have dates and a comment, and then who it's by, who did what on when. This is what version control is for. We don't need to muddy our code base with comments like this. So if you see something like this, delete it. Delete it, delete it, delete it. So I'm going to leave this here just so you can see an example here. And then a quick note to removing commented out code. I die a little bit on the inside every time I see a piece of code in my app that's just commented out. Version control keeps track of these things. And oftentimes what code is doing that is commented out, really the only code you want commented out is one you're actively testing and playing around with, right? This makes a user go and think, why is this commented out? Should I leave it? Probably, because most developers are very scared to leave this in there. I encourage you, and my stance on this, delete it. Just remove commented code. We don't need commented code in our code base. Version control, again, will keep track of that. And it just adds confusion. It's another thing that doesn't need to be maintained. What is this? And things start getting out of sync. So you always want to make sure to remove that commented code and not to leave these silly log messages either.